If the button does not work, you should enable ActiveX controls. Click File, Options. Click Trust Center Settings, ActiveX Settings. The following parameters must be enabled. Prompt before enabling all controls with minimal restrictions. Safe mode. The Excel file should be saved and closed. After loading the Excel file, the button works.